How does epigenetics affect chronic fatigue syndrome? Imagine your genes as a set of instructions, like a recipe book. Epigenetics is like the notes you add to those recipes, telling your body when to follow or ignore certain instructions. In chronic fatigue syndrome, also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis, these epigenetic notes can influence how your genes behave without changing the actual DNA. This means that environmental factors like infections, stress, or lifestyle can modify gene activity and impact symptoms. Research shows that epigenetic changes can affect key systems involved in ME or CFS. For example, they can alter immune responses, making it harder for your body to fight off infections or recover from illness. These changes can also influence how your cells produce energy, which is crucial because many people with ME or CFS experience severe fatigue and post-exertional malaise, where symptoms worsen after physical or mental activity. One way epigenetics works is through DNA methylation, which can turn genes on or off. Studies have found altered methylation patterns in genes related to the brain and nervous system, such as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Changes in BDNF can affect nerve signaling and might explain some of the cognitive difficulties and neurological symptoms seen in ME or CFS. Similarly, genes involved in stress regulation, like those in the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, can be epigenetically modified, influencing how the body responds to stress and potentially worsening symptoms. Immune cells are also affected by epigenetics. For instance, T cells, which are vital for immune defense, can become exhausted or less effective due to epigenetic rewiring. This immune dysfunction might be a reason why some people with ME or CFS have ongoing immune abnormalities and difficulty clearing infections. Additionally, viruses like Epstein-Barr virus, which is linked to ME or CFS onset, can persist in the body through epigenetic mechanisms. These viruses can influence host gene expression, possibly triggering or maintaining symptoms even after the initial infection has cleared. Understanding how epigenetics influences ME or CFS helps researchers identify biomarkers, biological signs that could improve diagnosis or help tailor treatments. While this field is still emerging, it offers hope for future therapies that might reverse harmful epigenetic changes. However, it is important to remember that each person's experience with ME or CFS is unique, and current medical advice should always be personalized. Consulting healthcare professionals remains essential for managing symptoms and exploring treatment options. In summary, epigenetics plays a significant role in how genes are expressed in immune, nervous, and metabolic systems, contributing to the complex picture of ME or CFS. Ongoing research into these mechanisms is helping us better understand this condition and develop more targeted approaches in the future.